Hello everybody, Brian here, back again with another trade recap video for you guys. Um, Sorry for not posting on Friday. Nothing too exciting happened. I took two trades. They were both green, but they're pretty small. I ended up about 1R for the day. So for today, I took three trades, two green, one red, for a total of about 2R. On the day. So that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. I just closed out of my last trade about like 5 minutes ago before starting this. So yeah, let's get into it as usual. Best and worst trades of the day. Starting with CCL as my only red trade and my worst trade. Um, so yeah, I changed the colors of my chart. Um, so does it look like that? Looks pretty bad on the preview, but it looks fine on my screen. Maybe I'll change it, but we'll deal with it for now. Anyway, CCL. Um, so CCL was pretty weak at the open. It sold down. It bounced off this, or right above this 13 price. Bounced up a little bit past the 9 EMA, came back down through this hammer right here. So this was the signal to enter. Uh, but as you can see, it didn't work out. I thought it was gonna be a double bottom, bounce off the 13 level, and then go higher. Uh, but that wasn't the case. So I got in at the break, new 1 minute high. And right before I got in on the level 2, I saw pretty big um, bids at sitting at 13. So I figured, you know, if this thing's gonna go higher, I feel like it's gotta hit those before it goes higher. Um, so yeah, it was kind of like I shouldn't have been in this trade in the first place if I just, sat there and thought about it for a few more seconds. But it is what it is. It was a small red trade because I knew if it didn't go right away, which it didn't, I would just, get stopped out because I feel like it would have broke through 13 before going any higher. And I didn't want to risk that much money. So yeah. Um, so I got in, didn't really do much, and then immediately I just took it off because I figured it was going to go lower, and it eventually did. Got all the way down to 1293 before bouncing and pushing all the way up to like 1340. Um, so yeah, down here would have been the better play, but uh, at this point I wasn't really watching it, so it's fine. Uh, Moving on. My best trade was on plug. So plug was pretty strong. It kind of, did a little sell-off, but on relatively low volume. And then it just grinded up, doing little pullbacks, grinding up, pullbacks, grinding up. And then this happened, almost 1 million shares, basically 2 million shares in 3 minutes, which, as you could see on the volume chart down here, you know, greatly exceeded the average volume by a large margin. So I kind of waited for a pullback after that happened. Um, and on this large volume, the highest it went was 1498. Um, so I kept that in mind. Waited, pulled back a little bit. Um, did this little hammer on low volume. So I figured, all right, I'm gonna try this, get in. Um, Stop loss break below this low that it made on the pullback. And then really I was looking for a break above 15, and it worked right away. It got all the way back up to 14, or I guess it printed 15. Um, but then it immediately sold back down to basically my entry point, and I was down like 2 or 3 cents at this point, and I was going to take it off, but I decided to give it a little more room. And I'm glad I did because it eventually pushed back up, and it was really struggling to get above 15. And when I saw that, I was just like, all right, this is a good trade, decent profit. Might as well just take it off. So I sold at pretty much 15 even, and then it eventually broke through, got up to 1507 before pulling back, and then got up to 1513. Um, but yeah, I mean, didn't really leave much on the table. What, an extra 13 cents or 7 cents on this move, and then 6 more cents on this move. Um, but yeah, I think it was worth it to take it all off because it was really struggling to get through. And I didn't want to sit in it and get stopped out at my break-even point. So I just decided to lock in some profits. Um, then I might as well just show you my last CCL trade that I just finished. Uh, so yeah, CCL, it was coming down to the VWAP. The SPY was selling off. Bounced off VWAP on very large volume right here, right there. Um, and yeah, this was kind of just like SPY was reversing at the moment, so I might as well take a small trade. Stop below VWAP, looking for really just to knock out my red trade from earlier on CCL. Um, so yeah, it just you know simple loss of VWAP, looking for somewhere above 40. Um, it was slowing down at like 38, 39 area, so I just decided to take it off. I covered my red trade earlier and then some, so I was happy with that, and I guess I'm glad I did sell it because it's all the way back down. But yeah, those are my 2 or 3 trades for the day. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And if this chart looks really bad in the video, then I'll just change it back. But I'm really liking this color pattern, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it looks like when I upload. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys had a good trading day. If you didn't, tomorrow's another day. Election day. I don't know what that's gonna entail. I've never traded on an election day, so we'll see. Might be a lot of watching, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.